emails that you were talking about in reference to, so yes, I guess it is required. What we're gonna do though is, I'm gonna take both of the checks, but I'm gonna let the board know that obviously your neighbor is not,
Cooperating.
cooperating with you or corresponding with you. If they're okay with just accepting half so you can move on with their project, I'll definitely give you a call and let you know.
Well, I don't care either way.
Cause it's refundable too, so
Yeah.
either way you're gonna get
I know
it back.
it's to make sure the street isn't damaged and all that.
Right.
From the dumpster.
Yeah, so he did say you're gonna need it, so.
Only one I'm on top of my game and I know you're gonna need it, I pulled it out for you. You need a new friend, can you take her with you when you leave?
No.
No, she says no.
I don't know who she's been around and there's a virus out there.
That's right. Truth be told, I wouldn't trade her for anything, but you know. I love your answer. No, I don't think she's been around. I don't know that. Actually, now that you say that, I don't either. Maybe I need to steer clear of her for a while.
Yeah, this virus stuff is scary.
Isn't this great? Did you hear about the new mandates for today they brought up?
No.
Now everybody, before it was just employees and businesses had to wear masks, now it's again the whole world.
Yeah, well, I never stopped wearing mine,
Yeah, a lot of
even
people
though
do.
I'm vaccinated. And
Yeah, I just don't understand how we're vaccinated, what's the point? I'm confused.
Yeah, because some people are still getting it, but who knows what their underlying conditions are too,
Right.
you know?
That's why, like, if you're vaxxed, why do you have to
Or
wear
who
a mask?
they've been around.
Yeah. You want a small one? Thanks, Angie. Would you like a binder clip? Okay. Oh, here we go. Whoops, no, can't.
Well, she didn't tell you, I only need the front page with the
I did
received
tell her,
on
she
it.
doesn't listen.
This one only,
Because I've scanned the whole thing at home.
I just have the receipt date for you, so I wanna make sure you have that whole thing.
Yeah.
You want me to just toss the rest? I copied the checks for you as well.
Because you scanned it for yourself too,
Yeah.
right?
So I just copied
Yeah.
the checks for
I
you.
have that at home too.
Okay, so you don't want the receipt date?
I do want the receipt,
Okay.
yeah. I've got everything else.
Alright, there you go.
That's good. Thank you so much.
Uh-huh.
Do we have any idea how long approximately?
I'm gonna work with William tomorrow, he's in a meeting right now, so I'm gonna work with him and try to come up, with a gift and send the board about the neighbor not corresponding, about all the checks that you deposited, and kind of just get the ball rolling faster. When it comes from him, they're more, cause he's the manager, they're more to like talk with me about it,
Mhm.
and not take the normal 2 weeks like they do.
Yeah, because I tried to tell the contractor, I said, we've got 2 associations. We have to go through one before, and get approval before we can go to the
Do you have
other.
that one for the other association too, or do you want this backup? You
No,
have to submit both applications.
I know.
Okay, so
Well-
you're good.
It's an extra. I won't have to print, yeah.
Do you want me to give it to you?
Okay.
Okay.
I mean, it can't go until I have your approval letter first,
Right.
you know. Or you know what, I probably would just email to them.
Instead, because you have to have their application as well. Have you received that yet from
I already have it
Taylor?
because I've got a, what are we working on already? My palm tree removal. I've
Okay,
gone
that
through
was
that
already
recently,
approved.
yeah, so I'm familiar with the form,
Okay, so you don't want this one?
no,
No, you'll just scan it in? Okay.
yeah.
Okay, yeah,
I'll
so I'm gonna try to work with William tomorrow. We're here until 4:30 every day, so we'll get it done.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
Yeah, of course. Thank you.
Hope I don't have to find another contractor.
Hey, what are you doing here?
Well, I'm not paying my bill, what are you doing?